Hello guys, welcome back to Software Hub. In this tutorial, we will learn how to find the connected Wi-Fi password. Sometimes we connect Wi-Fi with PC or laptop, but we forgot the passwords. So let's see how can we find out the password by using simple command. So for that, visit or go to Start. Right here, CMD. Press enter. Right here CLS for clear screen. Right click properties and increase the size. So to change the color, right here color and number of 2. The 2 means this color you can see here. So to find out all the connected Wi-Fi, we have a command netsh wlan show profiles. Press enter. Here is a collection of all Wi-Fi's and mobiles you have connected to your PC or laptop. So if you need to find out anyone connected Wi-Fi password, you can easily find out. Here is the collection of Wi-Fi's. Suppose you need to find Infinix S5 password. For that, right here netsh wlan show files name is equal to, and right here the name of the Wi-Fi you want to find out the password. For example, in my case I have this one, so let's copy it and paste it here and close, and then right here key equal to clear and press enter. So it means this Wi-Fi is not found, so let's change it. Suppose we have this Wi-Fi, copy it and paste it here and then enter. So here you can see security present and the key content is this. It means this is your password. Thank you for watching.